Our hearing today to discuss the punishment for Wayne County Judge Wade McCree, the judge admitting to having an affair with a witness in a child support case.
The judge could face censure, suspension, or removal from the bench. Fox 2's Charlie LaDuff with the latest.
New York City's got its wiener, but Detroit's got its McCree. And for a man who's been suspended from the bench, Third Circuit Court Judge Wade McCree sure spends an awful lot of time in court. Today, he was in front of the full Judicial Tenure Commission, the last stop before his fate's decided by the Michigan Supreme Court. And if today's proceedings were any indication, it's not going to end up well for His Honor. First up, the prosecution.
That same type of thing goes on today in kingdoms, at least with rock stars and others. And it also went on with this self-proclaimed king of latex who walked through his court, selected a woman, and made her his mistress. Judge McCree testified falsely under oath. He is unfit to sit in judgment of others.
Next up, Judge McCree's defense lawyer, who seemed to paraphrase the great French writer Honoré Balzac, who said, "Great love affairs start with champagne and end with weak tea."
This is not something caused by Miss Mott. This is something caused by him. As he told me, because of the way he talks, listen, she did me. She took advantage of me. But I swam out to that boat. She did. I mean, should he be? You know, their educational levels are different, but when it comes to the streets, Miss Mott is way more smart than is Judge McCree when it comes to these relationships.
Again, the judge's lawyer seeming to paraphrase Balzac. The more one loves, the less one judges. McCree, he said, simply lost his mind, which shouldn't be grounds for being stripped of his robe.
Misconduct on the bench? Well, clearly he should have recused himself. It didn't, so it's more serious. But he didn't prejudice the actual administration of justice. The result in this case was appropriate, it was right.
The commission's report and recommended sanctions are due in a month, and McCree is left to ponder the words of the great Balzac. Love is a game in which one always cheats. So, Judge, your lawyer basically says a young woman scammed you and she was smarter than you. Is that really the defense here? And if that's the case, can you really stand in front of people who are street savvy and judge them? Goodbye. There goes the judge. Good luck, sir. Charlie LaDuff, Fox 2 News.